After seeing the AI-generated Pepperoni Hug Spot commercial, I decided to ask ChatGPT and Bard to write me a review of this commercial. Neither chatbot was aware of the specifics of the commercial beyond the description I'd given them, that the commercial was an AI-generated pizza commercial, that I found it hilarious and disturbing, and that it included the line, "It's like family, but with more cheese." ChatGPT's response largely stuck to the facts I'd provided and discussed AI-generated content generally. Bard, on the other hand, went all in on providing specific details about a commercial it had never seen. Here's that review.
I asked AI to create a pizza commercial is a hilarious and disturbing video that will leave you both laughing and cringing. In the video, a man asks an AI to create a pizza commercial. The AI then proceeds to create a series of increasingly bizarre and disturbing images and videos, all of which are somehow related to pizza. The video starts off innocently enough, with the AI creating a simple image of a pizza. However, things quickly take a turn for the strange when the AI starts adding more and more elements to the image, such as a crying baby, a severed hand, and a giant pizza monster. The video then cuts to a series of live-action clips, which are even more disturbing than the images. In one clip, a man is seen eating a pizza that is alive and moving. In another clip, a woman is seen giving birth to a pizza. The video is both hilarious and disturbing, and it will stay with you long after you've seen it. It's a great example of the power of AI, and it's sure to make you laugh and cringe at the same time. It's like family, but with more cheese.